Have you ever wondered how many spaceships have met their fiery demise, lost to the vast expanse of space? It's a question that sparks curiosity and ignites our imagination. Space exploration, a journey of discovery and risk, has been marked by both triumphs and tragedies. From the early days of the space race to the modern era of commercial spaceflight, countless spacecraft have been launched into the cosmos. But not all of them have returned safely. The early days of space exploration. The 1950s and 1960s were a time of great ambition and technological advancement. As nations raced to conquer space, a number of spacecraft met with unfortunate ends. Early rockets, plagued by design flaws and technical difficulties, often exploded on the launch pad or shortly after liftoff. Some of the most notable failures include Soviet R-7 rocket, a series of early Soviet rockets, many of which failed during launch, contributing to a significant number of early space casualties. American Vanguard TV-3, a series of American rockets that suffered from numerous launch failures, highlighting the challenges of early spaceflight. The space race and beyond. The space race between the United States and the Soviet Union intensified the drive for space exploration. While this era brought about many groundbreaking achievements, it also witnessed a number of tragic incidents. Some of the most significant failures include Soviet Soyuz 1, the first manned Soviet spacecraft to fail, resulting in the tragic death of cosmonaut Vladimir Komarov. American Apollo 1, a catastrophic fire during a pre-launch test, claiming the lives of 3 astronauts, Virgil Grissom, Edward White, and Roger Chaffee. The modern era of spaceflight. In recent decades, space exploration has become increasingly commercialized, with private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin joining the race to space. While these companies have achieved remarkable successes, they have also experienced setbacks. Some notable failures include SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket explosions. Several Falcon 9 rockets have exploded during launches or landing attempts, highlighting the inherent risks of spaceflight. Antares rocket explosion. An Antares rocket carrying supplies to the International Space Station exploded shortly after liftoff. The human cost of space exploration. While the exact number of spacecraft lost to accidents and failures is difficult to determine, it's clear that space exploration has come at a significant cost. Beyond the loss of hardware and financial resources, these incidents have also claimed the lives of brave astronauts and cosmonauts who pushed the boundaries of human knowledge. As we continue to explore the cosmos, it's important to remember the sacrifices made by those who have gone before us. While the risks are undeniable, the rewards of space exploration are immeasurable. By learning from past mistakes and embracing innovation, we can continue to push the limits of human achievement and unlock the mysteries of the universe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.